Hello everybody, welcome again. 260 Neptune Drive, Manahawkin, New Jersey. As you can see from behind me, it's a brand new colonial, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3,000 square feet. Let's take a look. Step right into your modern dining room, which then opens into your brand new kitchen, which features two-tone cabinets, a quartz center island with a waterfall feature, soft close, soft pull cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. If we keep going, welcome to your living room. Built-in fireplace, ceiling fan recessed lightings. This is where family memories can be made. As we head upstairs, you'll notice the half bath right here. And now, let's head upstairs and check out the bedrooms. Who could that be? I'm not expecting anybody. Did someone say party? What are you doing here? St. Patrick's Day is like 2 weeks away. You're really bad at dates. Moving on, let's head upstairs. Welcome upstairs. Upstairs features 4 total bedrooms and 2 full baths, plus a laundry room. Welcome to your master bedroom. This master bedroom is so big, it can almost be your own little home. Features not 1, but 2 walk-in closets. And to top it all off, you have this wonderful, beautiful master bathroom. And finally, upstairs, you have what I call your multi-purpose room, or you can just use it for storage. Whatever is your choice. So to wrap up, this is 260 Neptune Drive, right here in Manahawkin, New Jersey. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3,000 square feet, plus an unfinished basement. If you like what you see and you want to see this house and make it your own, give us a call today, 732-244-1774, or you can always reach us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, look us up, Our Shore Real Estate, or Joseph Jhaberl. Until next time, I'm Joseph Jhaberl, and we'll see you on the next one.